The mental accounting trick that keeps you poor. The notification appears on your phone at 8:14 am. Paycheck received, $3,842. For a moment, everything feels possible. The anxiety eases. The numbers in your bank account finally look healthy again. You open the app, rent account, bills account, vacation fund, emergency savings, Christmas fund. You begin moving money around like pieces on a chessboard. A few hundred here, a few hundred there. Everything has a label, everything has a purpose, and somehow you still feel broke. 2 weeks later, you're standing in line buying coffee, $6.75. You don't think twice. It comes from your daily spending. Money, a different bucket, a different category, a different story. That evening, you drive 20 minutes across town to save 12 cents per gallon on gas. You spend 30 minutes comparing prices online before buying a $20 household item. You obsess over tiny expenses. Meanwhile, thousands of dollars sit untouched in separate accounts. Protected, hidden, mentally unavailable. You feel responsible, disciplined, financially organized. But beneath the surface, something strange is happening. Your brain has stopped seeing money as money. Economists call it mental accounting, one of the most powerful financial biases ever discovered. Instead of viewing money as one resource, your mind creates imaginary walls. Salary money, bonus money, tax refund money, investment money, fun money, emergency money. Each dollar becomes trapped inside a different mental box. Even though every dollar has exactly the same value, a dollar doesn't know where it came from. It doesn't know what label you've attached to it, but your brain acts as if it does. And that illusion quietly changes your behavior. A year passes, your salary increases from $55,000 to $72,000. The promotion feels huge. You celebrate a better apartment, a newer car, more subscriptions, more convenience. The raise gets assigned a new identity, lifestyle money, not wealth building money. The extra income disappears almost as quickly as it arrives. Your net worth barely moves. The numbers look larger, but the destination remains the same. You earn more, you keep more categories, you build more boxes, yet financial freedom stays just beyond reach. Then one evening, something catches your attention, a portfolio statement, an investment account you've barely checked, $18,400. You stare at the number, you begin seeing money differently. The categories remain, the budgeting system remains, but the illusion disappears. You stop asking, which account does this come from? You start asking, what is this dollar's highest value use? The question changes everything. A tax refund becomes investment capital. A bonus becomes ownership. An unexpected $500 no longer feels like free money. It becomes a choice, consumption, or future freedom. Years later, the numbers tell a different story. Investment contributions continue automatically. Index funds compound quietly at 7, 8, 9%. The portfolio grows. $18,400 becomes $40,000, then $80,000, then six figures. Nothing dramatic happens, no lottery ticket, no viral business, no miracle, just a slow shift in perception, a correction in how you think. Because the most expensive financial mistakes rarely happen in your bank account, they happen in your mind. The wealthy and the poor often use the same dollars. The difference is how they see them. One person sees categories, the other sees capital. One sees separate piles of money, the other sees a single system working toward a single future. And once you understand that, you realize financial freedom isn't just about earning more, it's about removing the invisible walls between your dollars. The walls were never protecting your money, they were preventing you from seeing what it could become. Edits by Beyond Paycheck.